My biggest issue with the 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight recommendation that is all over social media right now isn't actually that it's not where the majority of science points to as being optimal protein intake, although it's also that. Most studies point to 1/2 to maybe 3/4 of a gram of protein per pound of body weight as being optimal. Is that when you're trying so hard to eat that much protein, you're gonna start trading high protein foods for other really nutritionally important foods. Unless you have a super high metabolism so that much protein is still only a small fraction of your caloric intake, then the only way to get enough protein and to get enough fiber and to get all of the vitamins and minerals our bodies need is to rely very heavily on supplements. And if we're relying on supplements, we're not actually getting the full range of nutrients our bodies need, because there are so many nutritive compounds we get from foods that aren't formulated into supplements. Now, that doesn't mean that all supplements are bad. If you want to throw a scoop of protein powder into a breakfast smoothie to up your protein intake, or you need a vitamin D supplement to get your vitamin D levels up into the normal range, or you hate vegetables and the only way you're going to get any kind of vegetable content is with a greens powder, supplements can be wonderful tools for some people. But when the majority of our nutrition is coming from supplements, in terms of vitamins and minerals, big population studies that look at the benefits of a multivitamin show that they don't reduce all-cause mortality, cardiovascular disease incidence or mortality, cancer incidence or mortality, which you would expect them to if they were being utilized by the body the same way those same nutrients are from food. Fiber supplements lack all of the small little differences in fiber structure that you get when you're eating plant foods. And those small little differences mean that fiber feeds different beneficial bacteria in our guts. So we have a healthier, more diverse gut microbiome when we consume a diversity of fiber types, which we get from food and not supplements. And there's a variety of beneficial nutrients that are packaged up in different types of protein foods, like vitamin B12 and zinc in meat, the long chain omega-3 fats and vitamin B12 and zinc in seafood, fiber, folate, and polyphenols in legumes like soy. So it's best to get our protein from a diversity of sources as well. All this to say, a healthy diet can never be boiled down to one thing. We're complex biological organisms. There's 49 essential nutrients. We don't want to focus on just one of them at the expense of all the rest of them.